What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're going to be doing a quick Dollar Tree Halloween DIY. Our first item, we're going to need this wooden ghost, and it's like on this little stand thing. Some wooden letters, twine, your glue gun. The beads, the wooden beads are optional, and paint. I'm using black and white paint. And of course, paint brushes. So let's get started, guys. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is paint my ghost. I'm going to paint the actual ghost white, and then I'm going to paint the little base part. I'm going to paint it black. And you can find the paint, of course, at Dollar Tree. All items listed right here can be found at Dollar Tree. So let me get started painting, guys. Okay, next, I took the word boo out of my wooden letters. And just a heads up, if you're going to use more than one letter, you're going to have to buy 2 packs of the wood letters because there's only 26 in each package. That's the alphabet. So obviously, you're going to need 2 packages if your word have 2 letters of the same kind. So I took boo out. And then I'm going to paint this black, guys. So let me get started. Okay, once your ghost is painted in your boo, then we're going to take our twine. First, you're going to put your bead on the twine. Then you're going to gather the ends. Now, you can either gather it, just doing just a simple knot. I always like to do my little tie, like a little bow. And you just gather 2 rabbit ears. And then tie it like you would do a tennis shoe. A tennis shoe string. So you just take 2 bunny ears and then tie them together, and then it'll look like that at the ends. Or you could just do a basic knot, guys. But that's what we're going to do with the twine. And of course, measure it to make sure it's the right span, like arm span or whatever distance that you need to apply. And so then, once you finish that, then we're going to hot glue the boo, hot glue the boo onto the twine. Now, once again, it's different ways you could do it, but this is how I'm going to do mine. And I thought it was cute to have the beads in the center, kind of like eyes, and it just give that pop of color that I wanted. So I'm going to hot glue this, and then I'm going to show y'all the finished results. And there you have it, guys, the finished project. Y'all already know what I'm going to say. How cute is this? Real talk, real talk. I think it really do look expensive, you know. Very well made, in my opinion, being that everything is wood. But I think it came out really, really nice. And y'all, this was super easy to do. Scale from 1 to 10, as far as being easy, 10 being super easy, I would give this for sure an 8. Only because of the painting and the hot glue. But I say an 8 is really easy, guys. So hopefully y'all can find all the items in your local Dollar Tree and, and try it out. Make it a fun craft activity with your kids. So, oh my God, it's so cute. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.